Welcome to Product Plus. Explore a curated selection of innovative kitchen, home, and lifestyle products from smart gadgets and coffee makers to baby essentials and cleaning tools designed for convenience and efficiency. All products links in the description section below. Transform your living space with this smart coffee table that keeps drinks cool, devices charged, and music flowing. Combining elegance with innovation, it's designed for modern comfort and effortless convenience, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply upgrading your daily routine. Once tried, it quickly becomes an everyday essential. Elevate your kitchen experience with this modern smart sink featuring a waterfall flow, digital display, and built-in cup washer. Its spacious design and smooth functionality make every task from rinsing to prepping effortless. Stylish, durable, and surprisingly intuitive, it turns everyday kitchen chores into moments of easy, modern enjoyment. Seal freshness and efficiency in every package with this powerful continuous band sealer. Built for speed, precision, and durability, it handles multiple bag types effortlessly. Perfect for home or business, it streamlines your workflow, making packaging faster, neater, and more reliable every single time. Make cleaning windows feel effortless with this cordless vacuum squeegee. Its strong suction, wide blade, and long-lasting battery deliver spotless, streak-free results in seconds. Perfect for windows, mirrors, and tiles, it's the smarter, faster way to keep every surface shining with minimal effort. Keep your coffee corner clean, organized, and barista-ready with this multifunctional espresso knockbox. Designed to hold all your essential tools, it simplifies cleanup and brewing. Durable, lightweight, and stylish, it's the perfect upgrade for coffee lovers who value both efficiency and a smooth morning routine. Elevate your video and content creation with this versatile phone gimbal. From silky smooth shots to multi-person tracking and cinematic quality, it keeps every frame steady and stunning. Perfect for creators, travelers, and storytellers, it turns ordinary moments into professional-looking memories effortlessly. Serve and store with ease using these large-capacity glass pitchers. Perfect for cold brew, iced tea, lemonade, or water, their airtight design keeps drinks fresh while being durable and easy to clean. Ideal for family gatherings, outdoor fun, or everyday refreshment with style and convenience. Simplify your kitchen tasks with this powerful vegetable chopper, combining chopping, slicing, shredding, and dough making in one appliance. Its secure design, versatile blades, and easy clean features make meal prep faster, safer, and more enjoyable, helping you create delicious dishes effortlessly every day. Keep your floor spotless with this 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. Effortlessly cleaning, drying, and leaving surfaces streak-free, its lightweight, self-propelled design makes maneuvering easy. Smart self-cleaning and storage features ensure convenience, efficiency, and a home that feels fresh every day. Transform your coffee routine with this cold brew maker, delivering rich, smooth, and full-bodied coffee in just a few hours. Its slow drip system and premium glass and wood design combine efficiency with elegance, making every cup a refreshing, cafe-quality experience right in your own kitchen. Create salon-quality nail art at home with this 3D nail printer. Print photos, cartoons, or custom designs in seconds with vibrant, long-lasting colors. Beginner-friendly and app-controlled, it brings creativity, convenience, and fun together, letting you enjoy professional nail art anytime, anywhere. Light up every task hands-free with these multifunctional glasses. Featuring motion-sensing LED lights, adjustable fit, and USB charging, they provide bright, clear illumination for reading, repairs, or outdoor adventures, making detailed work safer, easier, and more convenient anytime, anywhere. Preserve your food with ease using this manual concealer. Crafted from durable stainless steel with precise rollers and adjustable height, it handles different sizes efficiently. Stable, reliable, and user-friendly, it streamlines sealing tasks, saving time while keeping your kitchen organized and tidy. Experience effortless travel with the Inglesina Quid Cube stroller. Ultra-light, compact, and foldable with one hand, it offers safety, comfort, and ventilation for your baby. With hands-free carrying and premium design, it makes daily walks, travel, and errands convenient, secure, and enjoyable for both parent and child. Turn your favorite beverages into icy, smooth treats with this slushy machine. Featuring rapid chill technology, customizable texture, and 5 preset programs, it effortlessly creates frozen drinks from soda, juice, coffee, or cocktails. Easy to use and clean, it's perfect for endless refreshing fun. Stay hydrated and boost wellness with this hydrogen water bottle. Smart features track intake while delivering hydrogen-rich water for cellular health and recovery. Portable and convenient, it supports active lifestyles, helping you feel energized, focused, and refreshed throughout the day, effortlessly. Craft cafe-quality espresso at home with this all-in-one machine. With a built-in grinder, precise temperature control, and steam wand for microfoam, it delivers rich, balanced shots and creative latte art, perfect for coffee lovers seeking convenience, control, and exceptional flavor in every cup. Measure ingredients with precision using this digital measuring spoon. With tare, unit conversion, and autolog features, it ensures accurate readings for cooking and baking. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it simplifies meal prep and helps create consistent, perfectly measured recipes every time. Brighten your outdoors with Mihani solar lights, featuring 230 to powerful LEDs and 2,500 lumens for wide, vivid illumination. With quick charging, motion sensing, and weatherproof durability, they offer reliable, energy-efficient lighting for porches, driveways, and gardens, enhancing safety, beauty, and nighttime visibility. The Nano BB breast milk bottle is designed to mimic the natural breastfeeding experience, promoting easy latching and smooth transitions. With its breast-like shape, anti-colic vented nipple, and fast warming feature, it preserves essential nutrients, ensuring comfort, nutrition, and convenience for both mom and baby. This iPad keyboard case combines functionality and flexibility, featuring a 360 rotating stand, multi-touch trackpad, and 7-color backlit keys. Compatible with iPad Air 13 and iPad Pro 12.9 models, it enhances productivity, comfort, and style with smart power management and long-lasting battery performance. These extra-large 160-gallon Koigami storage bins offer versatile organization with foldable, stackable, and mobile design. Featuring magnetic doors, dividers, and clear windows, they provide easy access, durability, and efficient space-saving storage for homes, offices, and dorms, ideal for any organization need. The DeLonghi espresso machine offers barista-quality coffee with a built-in conical burr grinder, 13 one-touch recipes, and customizable profiles. Its Latte Crema hot system froths milk perfectly, while dishwasher-safe parts and an intuitive display ensure effortless operation and easy cleanup every time. The scoop-free Apensky litter box eliminates scooping with its automatic self-cleaning system, storing up to 2 weeks of waste in a sealed drawer. Its open-top design ensures comfort, while smart sensors and app monitoring provide health updates, odor control, and convenience, perfect for single or multi-cat households. The Ogini Air mattress offers luxurious comfort with its silky foam topper and durable, leak-resistant PVC, featuring a built-in electric pump for quick inflation, ergonomic 20-inch height, and 660 pounds capacity. It's perfect for guests, combining support, durability, and effortless convenience with 2-year manufacturer backing. This 2-in-1 soap press dish offers both functionality and convenience with its built-in sponge holder and liquid soap dispenser. The transparent container lets you monitor soap levels easily, while its compact size fits neatly on countertops. Includes a dual-sided sponge for efficient, versatile cleaning in any space. The Saker 42-inch-1 magnetic screwdriver set is a versatile, durable toolkit for all your DIY needs. Featuring a ratchet T-handle, magnetic design, and multiple screwdriver heads, it's perfect for furniture assembly, repairs, and maintenance, offering efficiency, portability, and long-lasting performance. Elevate your space with this diamond mosaic globe, a handcrafted stained glass bulb emitting vibrant, rainbow-hued light. Its unique diamond shape, premium glass construction, and warm to 700K glow create enchanting ambience, transforming living rooms, dining areas, or entryways into dazzling, colorful havens. The Aeropress coffee maker delivers rich, full-bodied coffee in under 2 minutes with patented 3-in-1 brew technology. Its shatterproof Triton design, air pressure extraction, and microfiltration ensure smooth, flavorful cups anywhere, perfect for home, travel, or on-the-go coffee enthusiasts. The SPT Mini Kegerator and Beer Dispenser brings fresh draft beer home with style and ease. Featuring adjustable thermoelectric cooling, digital LED temperature display, and CO2 pressure control, it fits standard 5L kegs, making entertaining or relaxing at home effortless and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.